Hi guys, it's Megan here with Megabucksavingz. I have a Dollar Tree haul that I'm going to share with you guys. It's not going to be very much in this haul, but I thought I would share with you guys anyway what I got. So I did find quite a few shirts and I went ahead and picked them up because they were $1.25 and our Dollar Tree hasn't changed quite yet to over $1. They are working on transitioning that here soon. So I wasn't sure if the shirts were going to change, so I went ahead and picked some of them up. But I thought they were really great finds. They're by a brand, American Apparel. And there was some of them that were way too small that I knew my daughter nor I could fit into. But I went ahead and picked up this gray one. I liked how the neckline came up a little bit higher. That way you can wear like necklaces with it, dress it up, dress it down. Easy way to dress this up is just to wear it with a nice pair of slacks or even just a nice little black skirt. You can even pair it with just a nice little work jacket, but I picked that up. I got this V-neck white shirt. I don't think it'll fit me, but it definitely will fit my daughter. I picked up also a V-neck in gray, and then I also picked one up in the black color as well. And so here's the one in black. I really was hoping to find a white one, the high neckline, but I fortunately found one at the Goodwill bins, and so I will be sharing in my next YouTube upload. I will be sharing another Goodwill bins. If you haven't seen other Dollar Tree hauls or Goodwill bin hauls and you want to check those out, I will leave them in the description below. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel, as I think you'll like my videos. I share a lot of things with ways to save money and kind of living frugally and just an intentional kind of living. So if you guys want to check more of my videos out, definitely do that, and I hope you guys decide to subscribe. I did pick up this tank top. It is kind of like a work tank top that I'll be probably using, and you can also dress that up and dress it down or wear it underneath shirts to kind of layer. And then I picked up this high neck black shirt. It's just like the light gray one, which was the first one that I shared. And then I also picked up this dark gray tank top as well. It's just the same material, same brand as the black one. This one is a little bit longer, so you can wear it with like leggings or tuck it in or what have you. So I did pick up that. And then I also got they're two different brands, but they're tank tops for boys or men. But it's by All Style or Al Style. I couldn't really know how to sound that out, but I got one in red. So these are just really great for like outdoor work or yard work or whatever. And then I picked one up, the Gildan brand, and this was black, and it's a different material. This one's more of a thicker shirt material, and this is more of like a thinner, fine, soft material. I picked up these two pairs of socks. They're actually 2 packs, so 4 pairs, but I wanted to keep the ones that are just a plain color, so the white and the gray one. I liked how it was the lower cut sock, and then I'll give the other 2 to my daughter. I picked up 2 of these lip balms. They had other kinds, but this one was the Vanilla Bean, and it's just one of those lip balms that come in the round ball, and you just twist off the cap and put it on like so. But I decided to pick those up. I also got, I haven't seen this one before, but it's the luminescence candles that they come in the mason jars, and I got the one in the scent, which is French toast and pumpkin butter. And then I picked up 2 packs of suckers. I picked these one up for my son. He likes these little suckers. They don't have like anything inside of them, but they have a ton of different flavors, and there's 40 in the pack. I picked up the bubble gum pops. We're gonna put this in our Halloween bowl for Halloween. And I thought that was a great deal because it is a 1 pound of candy. I picked up these metal words. I got some last year for fall, and you can just add them to wood pieces or kind of whatever you wanted to. You could add them to wreaths or whatever, but I got this one. It's the haunted one, and it says haunted, spooky, and beware. So I did pick up another one. I guess I didn't realize that I picked up the other one as well. This one is the Vanilla Mint Lip Balm, and it says sweater weather, vitamin E, hydrating, nourishing. So I picked up that. And then I also picked up this black fingernail polish. I ran out of black fingernail polish last year. So I do like to paint my nails black during the whole month of October. So I picked up that. This is just by Wet n Wild. And that is it. Again, it was a really small haul, but I really wanted to share with you guys what I picked up. And if you guys have seen any of these in your area, at your local Dollar Tree, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't, you can also let me know, or go check out to see if you liked any of these items, to see if they have those items in your local Dollar Tree. At any rate, thanks for watching. Have a great one, and I hope to see you back next time. Bye!